Kids.
Sea animals counting from 1 to 20. How many turtles are there? There are 1 turtle. How many octopus are there? There are 2 octopus. How many crabs are there? There are 3 crabs. How many starfishes are there? There are 4 starfishes. How many seahorses are there? There are 5 seahorses. How many clownfishes are there? There are 6 clownfishes. How many pufferfishes are there? There are 7 pufferfishes. How many narwhals are there? There are 8 narwhals. How many stingrays are there? There are 9 stingrays. How many sharks are there? There are 10 sharks. How many jellyfishes are there? There are 11 jellyfishes. How many whales are there? There are 12 whales. How many squidfishes are there? There are 13 squidfishes. How many sawfishes are there? There are 14 sawfishes. How many seals are there? There are 15 seals. How many angelfishes are there? There are 16 angelfishes. How many catfishes are there? There are 17 catfishes. How many goldfishes are there? There are 18 goldfishes. How many snake fishes are there? There are 19 snake fishes. How many eel fishes are there? There are 20 eel fishes. Great job! You've learned counting from 1 to 20. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and learning.
Is making that sound?
Turtle. T-U-R-T-L-E. Turtle.
It's a sheep!
Crab. C-R-A-B. Crab.
Let's move to the next one.
Octopus.